Welcome back to another yeeps video where today I'm going to be playing the new construction bonus update. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, I noticed one thing already. In the car, or the race car area, whatever, they added the shop area, or the tech web for this area. That's cool. I'm not gonna buy it.
Get out.
I heard the new thing is here.
Yes, this.
Yes, it is.
Where is it? Where is it?
It's
Here.
so far away
guys,
though.
here.
No, I did not know. I did not know.
I need 10 more buck. I need 100 more buck coins.
Here, guys, go.
I don't want to.
Here.
Oh my God!
Here.
Look at
I got
this.
I own it. I own it.
Oh yeah.
Right? What is it?
Start. Come here.
Oh, this is
Start
a
the
sick
doom
weapon.
music.
This
Start
is
the
a sick
doom
weapon.
Alright, there's a new camera.
Guys, how do you do this?
I forgot about
Guys, guys.
Yeah, what does this even do though?
What is the mace code?
Take out.
Hey guys, what is the mace code? What is the mace code?
Take this one out,
Move.
and if you take this one, it'll put wherever.
Oh.
Stop pushing.
Oh.
Wherever you
Alright,
put that
right,
ball,
right.
that's where it'll. No, you need the one with
What
the,
is this?
like this. Yeah, pick that up.
Oh, so it,
Can I
so
throw
it
that over
follows
there,
the
that camera?
ball. That's cool.
Wait, bro, how do you do that? How do you,
Why does it sound like
how do you get this? How do you get this?
It's in the content creator pack in the mobile app. Finally here. Construction site. Over here. Changing in just a minute. Yeah, this one's creepy. It would be good for Halloween. Oh my gosh, no way! There's a porta potty! There's a porta potty! Porta potty. Porta potty. How do I close the door? I don't want people to see it. Whatever. Don't look, guys, okay? Don't look. You looking? What are you doing? Alright, on the tech web, there is another new item. It's like a specific copy and paster that only copy and pastes a specific amount of an area. finally got it. Finally! That actually took so long. Now I got the area copy and paster. So basically, you grab this area, and then you can, like, extend it. And so let me just put, like, another one inside of there. And then you can copy it, and then paste boosh. Pasted one block. Should be enough. Anyways, I copy. I get rid of this, and then it just doesn't come back. That's... Anyways, I'm too lazy to get the chainsaw, so... I mean, I got it earlier, but I still don't own it. Tune in next time for another stupid video. Wait, no, another amazing video. Make sure to like and subscribe or whatever. You don't have to. Please. This took forever. Anyways, bye-bye. See you in the next one. I was hoping for that to bounce. See you later!